In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance search filter to find pairs with USDT. If you're navigating the world of cryptocurrency trading on Binance, knowing how to efficiently search for trading pairs can greatly simplify your experience and help you make informed decisions. So, let's walk through the straightforward steps to accomplish this task. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Binance is a leading global exchange platform that enables you to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Ensuring you are on the official site is crucial for the security of your trades and personal information. Take a moment to log in if you haven't already, because you'll need full access to use the search functions and view market data thoroughly. Once you're on the main Binance page, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and select Markets. Clicking on Markets will bring you to a page that showcases a variety of trading options. This section of Binance provides comprehensive information about different cryptocurrency pairs, offering you an overview of what's trending, newly added pairs, and a list of favorites if you've set any. Next, you will see a search bar positioned prominently on the Markets page. In this search bar, type in USDT. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for trading pairs due to its stability. By entering USDT in the search bar, you're filtering the market to display trading pairs that include USDT, streamlining your search process and making it easier to find the specific pair you're interested in. After making your search, click on the Overview tab on the Results page. The Overview section provides a comprehensive list of all the trading pairs available with USDT. This feature allows for a quick assessment of different market options, comparing price changes, trading volume, and other critical data points at a glance. Take your time reviewing these pairs, as this information can be pivotal in making strategic trading decisions. Familiarize yourself with the market dynamics of each pair, which can assist in predicting trends and maximizing the potential of your trades. This approach can be especially useful for seasoned traders, as well as newcomers looking to make data-informed decisions. Don't hesitate to modify your search to explore other cryptocurrencies beyond USDT in the future, which can greatly enhance your understanding and participation in the cryptocurrency market. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on locating USDT pairs on Binance using their search filter function. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency tips and guides.